Welcome to Max's Magic World! Whoa! Where did all the colors go? Where did they go? Come on, let's find them! This tree is completely gray too. Follow the light, come along. Wow, where does this lead? Our colors are gone! We must find the 3 lost colors and restore their magic to... Don't worry, find the colors, bring them back like... The red color is inside that flower! How can we open it? Free the butterfly! That will open the flower. Red is back, 1 color found. We found red! 1 color down. Let's find the next one. Blue is waiting, hidden away. What does this do? You opened it! We found blue! Green is hiding deep inside. Find the place where dreams can hide. Is the green color inside? You found the key! The last color! Red and blue and green unite. Bring the colors back to light. It's working! The colors are back! Thank you, Max! Goodbye, Lumi! See you soon!